What happens if you use expired oil?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to discuss a topic that is often overlooked in our kitchens, expired oil. What really happens if you use oil that has gone past its expiry date? Can it harm you? We're about to unravel this mystery.
Understanding oil expiration.
Before we dive into the consequences, it's important to understand what we mean by expired oil. Oil doesn't expire in the traditional sense. However, over time, it can degrade and go rancid due to exposure to air, light, or heat. This is usually indicated by a change in smell, color, or taste.
What happens when you use expired oil?
When you use expired oil, there are several potential consequences. 1. Altered taste and smell. The most immediate effect of using expired oil is the impact it has on the taste and smell of your food. It can give your dishes a stale or slightly metallic taste. 2. Nutrient loss. Oils are often used in cooking for their health benefits. However, when oil goes rancid, it loses its nutritional value. If you're using it for its health benefits, you're not getting what you bargained for. 3. Potential health risks. While consuming small amounts of expired oil may not cause immediate harm, regular intake could pose potential health risks. Rancid oil contains free radicals that can damage cells in your body, possibly contributing to heart disease and cancer.
How to prevent oil from going bad?
Fortunately, there are ways to prevent your oil from going bad. 1. Store it correctly. Keep your oil in a cool, dark place. Exposure to heat, light, and air can cause it to go rancid faster. 2. Use it within the expiration date. While oil does not have a hard and fast expiration date, it's best to use it within the manufacturer's recommended date for optimal quality. 3. Practice the first in, first out rule. Always use older bottles of oil before opening new ones. In conclusion, using expired oil isn't just about taste. It can potentially pose health risks and decrease the nutritional value of your food. Always remember to store your oil correctly and pay attention to changes in its smell, color, and taste. With these practices, you'll ensure you're using oil that is not just tasty, but also safe and healthy. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you in maintaining a safer and healthier kitchen.